We want to feel into this and hit the spot that is exactly where Jace needs right now.
Oh, yeah.
So everyone's money spot is slightly varied, and it is up to us to be an artist and to feel into it and to hit where it needs it at the pressure, the angle that's going to best benefit the person, something like that. G'day guys, Ninja here. Got Jace on the table.
Hello.
Doesn't want to show his face.
Oh, mate,
there he is.
there he
is. He's got his beard on. I love his beard. Nah.
Oh, I was hoping to get rid of it, mate. The fluff's getting a bit out of control.
Nah, he's a bit of Heath Ledger about you, I reckon. Keep it going.
Just the shocking version.
Keep it going. So we want to do a bit of a refresher video on the lower back money spot. It's my favourite spot in the body. I kind of discovered it about 25 years ago. And we want to show it to you, so not everybody out there in YouTube land might have seen it. So I'm going to have a look at this. So I love showing people just how deep this, the sacrum is in here and just how intricate it is and where things can get caught up. It's in here. So we want to bear right into here. So into here on the body and clear it because it is bang for buck. If you can clear this, things that are going downstream can be cleared up, the flow can be created, it can come back, but also up and maybe into your groin, different things like that as well. So it's just a bang for buck area. The nerves in this area kind of can get really constricted, and then the supply of information down through those nerves is restricted and doesn't work properly. And it's a big protective area of the body as well. So with the metaphysics, we talk about power, being empowered in your life, or if you're not supported, your lower back can be the thing that starts talking to you. So it's a really important part of the body, and when you can treat it effectively, you can really have a dramatic impact on somebody's life. So chronic lower back pain is, it's a big issue out there in the world, and most people throughout their life will experience lower back pain, and they just sort of realise just how debilitating it is, because it is a pivotal part of the body. Every time you go to roll over in bed, you go to get up out of a chair, you twist, you turn, picking things up. You need your back to be working for you, and even like when you're walking and running, your lower back is an integral part of that movement. So this is sort of some of the work that we do. So if you're interested in learning this as well, we do teach exactly what we're doing to get people out of pain. So the online mentorship and also some in-person as well, or you can just buy the videos if you want. It's a big part of what we're doing. We're trying to get good body work out to the world. We think it's a dying art. People are going more hands-off, but what really people want is the hands-on. They want that connection, and they want the connection with their body, but also connection with another human. And when they're just doing exercises by themselves, they want to get the work done, unblock things, and let the body be able to heal itself and then be able to build. So that's our little catch cry as well, is clean first, which is doing the body work, build second, and then live free. So that's what this symbolises here. How you going, Jace?
Yeah, it's good, Ninja. Yeah, feeling really good there.
Yeah, so Jace has got the hardest I've ever come across money spot to effectively work, because he's so muscly and ropey. But, with patience, you can get right in there and elicit that really good pain. So I'll get right into that spot there, man.
Oh, yeah, that's it.
Feel it?
That's good pain.
With the pisiform.
Yep.
Then, that knowing, and I talk about that a bit as well. We kind of just know, it's going to be better in the future. It's an investment. So it's good pain. It's a good sensation when you're kind of receiving work that resonates with you as hitting the spots that are really integral to your pain. Getting them to be not so stuck, to get them to move and clear it out, and then your body is free to move and free to heal. So I'm just kind of going across that sacrum there a little bit, clearing that out, encouraging that out. And I can kind of come out nice and slowly as well. Kind of see how that mobilizes things down as well. And then we can go in with the elbow. So bigger tool or heavier tool that we can kind of get even deeper into. So into there like that. So it's sort of like the patience. It's quite required to tailor your treatment so it's perfect for that person. So we're not about cookie cutter, making sausages, whatever your analogy you want to use. We want to feel into this and hit the spot that is exactly where Jace needs right now.
Oh, yeah.
So everyone's money spot is slightly varied, and it is up to us to be an artist and to feel into it and to hit where it needs it at the pressure, the angle that's going to best benefit the person, something like that. So in there like that. So just using leverage. Good for you, Jace.
Yeah, couple little shimmies in there.
Little shimmies, grabbing the table, finding an angle. But yeah, having the strength to really get in there and work that tissue, that's what's important. There's just so many layers in this sort of spot as well. Like I think it's 4 or 5 layers of thin tissue, connective tissue, and then muscles that are coming up that are over the top of the sacrum and then kind of come up through here. Got little multifidus and rotatories as well that connect in between the spinous processes. You love that I
got them right. What do you used to call them?
Rotators.
The rotators?
Rotators, like your potatoes. Rotators. Well, that just makes sense. They help rotate.
Yep.
Yeah. So, but yeah, your erectors, they all kind of stem from down here. Even lats is down here as well. So there's all these layers, and it's just so thick. This real thick, like 2 centimeters thick of real thick fascia, which is like this rubbery tissue. So if you want to best affect the fascia, you need a pin and hold it. That's what it loves. It doesn't want to be rubbed because that kind of doesn't leave that permanent imprint into that fascia to kind of help it hydrate and flow. So I'm just going to slowly come out laterally and try and clear along that top of that sacrum. Like that. So it's something I've been working at for 25 years, and I say that to the students as well, like you practice this for the next 25 years. So, you can never think you're a master of it. You still got to be present and tune in and give the person what they need in that moment. If you just go that cookie cutter approach and just do that same thing, maybe you'll miss the mark. So it's very important to tailor to the person. Like that. Bit going on out there.
Oh, a little bit going out there, wasn't it, Inch?
And that's it. So that's my little demonstration. So lower back money spot. Yeah, ask for it, demand it, because it's an integral part of your healing if you have got chronic lower back pain. But if you want to learn it, look us up, and we're happy to talk to you, and we want this to be all around the world, available all around the world. That's our mission. So help us get it done.
There it is. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
See ya.
Done.